Here's what we're making today. Delicious nut-free granola in less than 30 minutes. The first thing we're gonna add is 5 cups of rolled oats. They could be old-fashioned oats, same thing. You do not want steel cut or instant oats. That will not work. They will burn, and that's not a good thing. The next thing we're gonna add is our 1/2 cup of coconut oil and our 1/2 cup of honey. We have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt. You wanna make sure all of the oats are covered with the oil and the honey and that the cinnamon is evenly distributed out. Here's a tip. When you are making granola, make sure you use a rimmed baking sheet. If you don't use a rimmed baking sheet, granola is just gonna be all over your oven and you don't want that. You want to spread it out as evenly as you can. This will ensure that everything, when we cook it, cooks evenly. You kind of want to pack it down. All right, we're out of the oven. This is our first 11 minutes, and we are spreading this around so that it bakes evenly. On the second bake, looking for a nice golden brown color. This is pretty good right now, where it is, but we want a nice golden brown. We are out of the oven. As you can see, it's a really nice, even, golden color, and that's what you're looking for. Let this cool completely. As the granola cools, it will set up, it will harden up, basically. So I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. As you can see, it's all nice and set, and what we're gonna do is kind of crumble it up. The important thing is, along with these delicious oats, and the smell is amazing, is we're going to be adding some unsweetened shredded coconut, 2/3 of a cup, 1/3 cup of dried cranberries, and 1/3 cup of dried cherries. And we're just going to mix this around.